Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Funnel360, which launches on the 4th of May at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this amazing and heavy-duty release from Dr. Ope Banwo. And what he has done here is done something a bit special, actually. He's created the world's first all-in-one page builder, video creator and graphics editor, all from one dashboard and with no monthly fee. So this is something a bit different, folks, because it hasn't been done before, genuinely. You haven't been able to get graphics, videos and funnels all done from the one place before. So if this sounds like something that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the set of custom bonuses that I've put together to go with Funnel360. You can get these 5 custom bonuses by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And I wouldn't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me, and I've put them together to ensure your success with Funnel360. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of Funnel360, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page and return to this YouTube video once you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way, way better and way more useful to ensure your success with Funnel360 than what anyone else is offering. So, what is Funnel360? Well, as the title suggests, obviously it is a prolific funnel builder, but it does way more than that. It's the world's first all-in-one page builder, video creator and graphics editor, all under one dashboard and with no monthly fee. You can build pages, create videos and perfect graphics quicker and easier than ever before, and then sell on your creations with your included commercial license, which is on offer for a limited time at the same price as the regular front end. Now, excuse me, there's a comprehensive sales video here, which is only on this sales page, so I recommend that you watch that, because that's not actually on my bonus page. So do press the button and have a watch of that sales video. So you can build pages, create videos and perfect graphics in 3 easy steps. You can easily create high converting funnels and web pages and videos and graphics from hundreds of templates, all from scratch in minutes. You can create amazing videos from our artificial intelligence powered explainer video creator in minutes, of which this one I think was created using it. And then you can create gorgeous graphics with our included as standard powerful graphics creation and editing module. So everything you need is included from one dashboard. That is the key selling point of this software, folks. So it works exactly how you want it to. No extra costs, one-off cost, no limits. You can have unlimited visitors. You never have to pay for the royalty-free graphics ever again. You've got over 2 million stock images sorted into niches. It's almost worth picking it up just for that, folks. No need to start from scratch. You can instantly create high-converting funnels from the ready-to-go templates. Optimization is standard. Everything under one roof. All right, so it's not just a funnel builder, it's not just a video creator, and it's not just a graphics maker. This is an all-in-one solution. All right, so I think we've established that this is something a little bit special. So let's have a look at my special bonuses that I've put together to go with this. So what you've got here is a walkthrough demo video. So I definitely recommend that you watch that. I think it's about 15 minutes long, and it's a complete walkthrough of the members area and exactly how the different elements of the product work. The first bonus that I'm going to give you now, Obviously, one of the key target audiences for these products are people that are doing affiliate marketing, that need to build funnels, that need to build review videos, and that need, to design with graphics, eye-catching splash pages and other forms of advertising. So I'm going to include our flagship Introduction to Affiliate Marketing course. So whether you're brand new or you've just recently started out in affiliate marketing, you will find this course really, really excellent. It's got about 25 videos of content. It's put together by one of my main mentors, John Armstrong, and this will teach you everything you need to learn to get started and off and running profitably in affiliate marketing. The second tutorial is actually another affiliate marketing course taught by a guy called Eric Kaji, and it's a little used affiliate marketing method. I actually went through this training about 5 weeks ago, and I actually earned money from my very first day using this method. I earned $28 in commissions that evening after I put the recommended method into operation that afternoon. So when I woke up the following morning, having put it into place that evening, there was $28 waiting in my Warrior Plus account. So it's a great little method, and I'm giving it to you for free. Obviously, you need to know how to make good quality videos and what makes a good video. So I'm including this video marketing masterclass so that you can make the most out of the video part of the dashboard. And this is an 1.5 hour long masterclass teaching you everything you need to know about video marketing. And the last two are complete courses that I very rarely give away. The first one's the Breakthrough Method by Kenny Cannon. Kenny Cannon, many of you will know, is a super affiliate. His training's always very thorough and very effective. And I'm throwing one of his flagship courses in, the Breakthrough, which I think is probably his best-selling course. And secondly, the clones, one of Brendan Mace's methods. As you know, from time to time I do offer some of Brendan's courses as bonuses, but I've never offered the clones before. So if you watch my videos regularly and my bonus page regularly, you will know that I've never offered this bonus before. So that's a first to go with this product. All right. So I hope you can see there's hundreds of dollars, obviously, of value that I've thrown in there. I just want to check the length of this demo video. Is it going to start for me? Yeah, 13 minutes. All right, so a 13-minute walkthrough there that you can see of the back office and everything else. All right, so let's go back to the sales page. So to get these bonuses, as I said, you need to click before this timer reaches 0 through on these green buttons, and that will bring you back through to the main sales page. So these are the 4 steps you need to use. Firstly, create the marketing pages, the squeeze pages, your sales pages, your upsell pages, thank you pages, membership pages, and lots more. Secondly, create amazing videos. Thirdly, create gorgeous graphics. And number 4, you've got full commercial rights included, so you can make money creating highly converting marketing funnels. Fast, effective, and no tech skills needed. You can set them up to automatically receive payments as full integration. Comparisons here with ClickFunnels, which costs, as a lot of you know, $97 a month minimum. Instapage and Leadpage are 2 other well-known page builders, funnel builders that most of you will have heard of, and you can see that this has got all of the functionality of any of those. So you can actually get ClickFunnels for $97 a month, but the fully featured one is $297 a month. This is going to be for a one-time price of $97, folks, but I've actually got a coupon for you, so you're going to get it cheaper than that. All right, so you can use coupon F360 special. All right, so that's capital F for Foxtrot 360 and then the word special, no spaces. So if you put that coupon code in, you will get a $30 discount off of the main commercial license. All right, so just a as I said, have a look through the sales page yourself. You can see all of the stuff that you're getting. These is what it integrates with: Aweber, Stripe, GetResponse, SendLane, Usign, Infusion, MailChimp, Google Analytics, PayPal, Active, GoToWebinar, and iContact. So pretty much everything that you're likely to have. These bonuses are being offered as standard by the vendor. The Website Owner's Guide to Stock Photography, image sites with free license, a detailed list of 15 sites where you can download stock images for free, graphics treasure chest version 2, stock image blowout, 800 premium sound effects, Flash Opt-in Pro, and ultimate sales page plugin. Loads of bonuses there. So you've got two options, either the annual payment version or the one-off, the charter one-time 97. But as I said, I'm giving you this voucher, which means that you can actually get the charter version, the one-off version, for the same price as the annual. And that code, just to clarify again, it's Foxtrot 360, so F360 special. That is the code that you need. So you click on buy now, then go through to the sales page and then enter your code. All right. And that is pretty much it, folks. Great product, this one. I highly recommend it. We will just have a quick look at the upsells before I wrap this up. So one thing I should mention, sorry folks, the bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. So these are bonuses that the vendor gives to affiliates. So most other affiliates will just be offering you these additional bonuses that we've been given by the vendors. So HyperSoci, Sind Social, Instant Content Creator, Vid Curator, Fire Push, and that is it. So they're likely to be the additional bonuses that you get offered from most other affiliates. All right, so let's have a quick look at the sales funnel before we wrap up. So you've got your charter version for 67 if you use that code. Then the first upsell is Premium Template Club. New templates of pages, videos and graphics every single month. You can join that for 47 a month. That's pretty good value. The second upsell, Funnel Video Graphics Consultant Marketing Toolkit. That's 69. And the final upsell is the reseller packages, 50 licenses for $99 or 200 licenses for $129. All right, so they are your upsells. As I said, to get the product, all you need, and to get all of these extra bonuses that I'm throwing in here, all these courses and masterclasses, click on the green button. That will take you through back to the sales page. Click buy now, enter your bonus. I'll give it to you one more time. F360 special. That will get you it for 67. And then you'll come back into the JV Zoo members area, which is this one here. Click on the green button to access your copy of Funnel360, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. That's all there is to it, folks. I hope that you will pick it up from the link underneath this review video. Great products. 4.5 stars out of 5 for this one. It does lots of things that you cannot get elsewhere and that I haven't seen before. The only thing that stops it being a 5, I suppose, is because it's over the typical price point of like 27 or 37. But I mean, it's a heavyweight product, so it's absolutely worth what you're going to get, because with something like ClickFunnels, you are going to pay, 97 a month. So when you look at it in those terms, it is actually very cheap for what you're getting. But 4.5 out of 5 is pretty much almost my top rating. So thanks very much for, as ever, watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Funnel360.